Hi everyone, this is Vicki Sarnoff, nutrition educator for Rolling Harvest Food Rescue, and I'm here today to share a little quick tip on how you can store some of your greens. So greens that have a stem, and I'm going to show you right now about kale, but you can do it as well with chard, with spinach, with collards. It's a great way to store it so it'll last. So take your greens and put it into, I just have a plain glass jar here. You could use a plastic container if you like, and put the stems in the water. And what I like to do then is we're going to take just a plastic bag, you can get at the supermarket. We're going to secure that around there, close that up. I'm going to tie it here, and I have here one of these great little twisties. Going to tie it with the twisty and secure it like that. So what happens, why do I do that? When you're going to store this in the refrigerator, because it needs to be kept cold, because kale is really quite delicate. You might think it looks hardy, but it needs to be kept chilled and in this water. So once it's secured, when you put it in the refrigerator, there's other often fruits or vegetables that give off a gas that can speed up the degradation of this kale. So by securing it this way, you won't get the gases that can come from tomatoes and bananas and apples. So this way it preserves it so that you'll have it much longer so your family can enjoy this nutritious green. Thank you so much. I'll be back again with more tips on how to take care of your vegetables and eat well during the year. Thank you so much.